winding rows of gold and green. The California hills in twilight sheen. Sunlight dips beneath the gilded crest, whispering farewells to Earth's unrest. One last drive through valleys wide and nature's arms where memories hide. Tears blend with the sunset glow. In this moment, time moves slow. Shadows stretch on rolling hills of grace. The world find no breath in the wind's embrace. Oak stand tall, their silhouettes in light, guardians of one last fleeting sign. One last drive through valleys wide and nature's arms where memories hide. Tears blend with the sunset glow. In this moment, time moves